Alright, hello everyone. This is a update for the EDC, stuff that has changed, stuff that is staying, stuff that's going, similar things like that. Alright, so today is Monday, July 14th, and I'm filming with my old phone because it was having lots of issues. But I've got a new phone after a long time. This is the Google Pro. What is it? Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. That's how you say it. And it looks rather thick because it does that. How cool is that, huh? It's basically like a little mini tablet. You can do lots of different things with it. So this is the major change to the EDC is the phone, but you can still use it on the outside, which I find myself using the outside for normal stuff. But I'll tell you where it really shines is let's see here. Let's go to one of my favorite channels. Go to one of my favorite channels.
Hello. I saw it.
See what all he's been up to while I've been up to nothing. Check this out. How cool is that? Give him a like. Alright. And then the next thing is this that just came in. This is the new Olight Perun Mini 3 Premium. Perun 3 Mini Premium. They got all these crazy names now. But I wanted to get it because it has a headlamp attachment that works in conjunction with the clip. Pretty cool. I will make a part 2, that way I can keep shorts on here. One sec.